Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a creamy, lemony garlic pasta. I'm going to be using pasta made from chickpeas. So it's going to be really healthy for you, high fiber and protein. So let me show you what's going on. But before I do that, I want to make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel and that you hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single one of my videos. I post videos every week, usually 2 a week, and they're whole food, plant-based, and they're really quick and easy. Also, if you like this t-shirt, I do have a line of t-shirts that I have on my Etsy store, Chew on Vegan, so check that out as well. All right, back to the recipe. I just have some water in this little pan here, and I'm just gonna put in about 5 cloves of garlic. And I just use the jar garlic because I'm lazy, and it just stays in my fridge, doesn't go bad, and then it's there for me whenever I need it. So we're gonna let this saute for a few minutes, and you are not gonna believe how easy this dish comes together. Now we'll start adding some other ingredients here. I've got the juice of a lemon, zest of a lemon. I took some of the pasta water, so it's a little starchy. I'm going to add a little bit of cashew cream, about a cup, maybe a little less. Just stir this around and let it cook for a bit and it will thicken. So we'll let this go for a couple of minutes. I did turn the heat down and just let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, some nutritional yeast, and some red pepper flakes. Again, you can adjust these however you like. You don't have to use nutritional yeast. I like it, it gives it a little more of a cheesy kind of a flavor, and it gives me some B12. So we'll mix that around. I'm going to be using Banza pasta here, the one I told you about. It's made with chickpeas. And this is a 8-ounce package. It's got 23 grams of fiber, 23 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber. So yummy. Now I'm just gonna put the pasta in here and then make sure it's well coated. Yum. I'm gonna add a little bit of chopped parsley, maybe a tablespoon or so. And then we are ready to eat. Now how fast was that? It's pretty much the time it takes to cook the pasta. So you could have dinner ready in like 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, look at this plate of pasta. Woo, looks so good. This will definitely stick to your ribs, so here we go. You know, sometimes I impress myself. This is so flipping good. The lemon, the garlic, the red pepper flakes. It's like a party in your mouth. It's so good. I love it. This is a great weeknight dinner. Makes tons. You have some for lunches the next day. So please give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.